Most people believe that saving $1,000 is too small to make any real difference in their lives. But what if reaching the simple milestone is actually the moment everything begins to change? Sometimes the smallest financial victory becomes a foundation for a much bigger and brighter future. How about opening your savings account and seeing $1,000 for the very first time? It may look like just another number on a screen, but emotionally it feels completely different. For the first time, you realize that your hard work and discipline are creating real financial security. Before reaching $1,000 in savings, every unexpected expense can feel overwhelming. A flat tire, a broken phone, a medical bill, or a home repair can instantly create stress because you don't have enough money set aside to handle life's normal surprises comfortably. Once you've saved your first $1,000, those same unexpected expenses no longer feel like financial disasters. Instead of panicking or reaching for a credit card, you can solve the problem with confidence. That single change removes an incredible amount of worry from your daily life. This is why many financial experts recommend saving your first $1,000 before focusing on almost anything else. It becomes a foundation of your emergency fund, giving you valuable breathing room whenever life becomes unpredictable and helping you avoid unnecessary debt during difficult situations. Unexpected expenses are not rare events that happen only to other people. They are simply part of everyday life. Cars break down, appliances stop working, medical bills appear, and homes need repairs. The real question isn't whether emergencies will happen, but whether you'll be prepared when they do. Without savings, every surprise forces difficult decisions. Many people rely on credit cards, personal loans, or borrow money just to cover basic emergencies. While these solutions may help temporarily, they often create even bigger financial problems that become much harder to solve over time. Debt creates a cycle that can feel impossible to escape. Interest charges grow, monthly payments increase, and financial stress continues building. Instead of moving forward, many people spend years simply trying to recover from one emergency after another without making real progress toward financial freedom. Your first $1,000 changes that pattern completely. It acts like a financial safety net, catching you before small emergencies turn into expensive debt. Instead of borrowing money every time something goes wrong, you already have a solution waiting in your savings account. The biggest transformation doesn't happen inside your bank account. It happens inside your mind. You stop seeing yourself as someone who is constantly struggling and begin thinking like someone who prepares for the future instead of simply reacting to financial emergencies. Instead of asking, "How will I survive this?" you start asking, "What's the smartest solution?" Confidence grows because you know you're prepared for life's small storms before they arrive. Many people never experience this feeling because they spend every dollar they earn before the next paycheck arrives. Living paycheck to paycheck keeps you focused only on today. Saving $1,000 allows you to finally think about tomorrow. For the first time, you begin making decisions based on long-term goals instead of short-term fear. Suddenly, sales and discounts lose some of their power over you because you no longer feel desperate to buy everything immediately. You become more patient. Instead of emotional spending, you begin making intentional financial choices. That patience quietly improves almost every area of your financial life, one decision at a time. Friends may never notice the money in your savings account, but they will notice your growing confidence and reduce financial stress. And here's the surprising part. Saving your first $1,000 is usually much harder than saving the next $1,000. Once you prove you can do it, everything starts to change. Your first $1,000 is proof that you can build new habits. And once a good financial habit becomes part of your daily life, it starts working for you automatically. Every paycheck becomes an opportunity instead of a rescue mission. You begin planning where your money should go before you spend it. You stop asking, "Can I afford this today?" Instead, you ask, "Will this purchase improve my future?" That simple question prevents countless impulse purchases. Over time, those small decisions save hundreds of dollars. Saving $1,000 also changes how you see your paycheck. It becomes a tool instead of something that disappears overnight. Instead of wondering where your money went, you begin telling every dollar exactly where it should go. That feeling of control is incredibly powerful. Financial confidence often begins long before wealth appears. Many wealthy people started exactly where you are now, with one small financial goal completed successfully. The amount is important, but the discipline behind it is even more valuable. Discipline creates consistency. Consistency creates progress, and progress creates lasting financial freedom. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to Money Solutions. Your family may also notice the difference. Money conversations become calmer because fewer emergencies create panic. Instead of arguing about unexpected bills, everyone starts discussing future plans with greater confidence. Financial security doesn't eliminate every problem, but it makes almost every problem easier to handle. Stress affects your sleep, your health, and your relationships. Reducing financial stress improves all three. When you sleep better, you often make better decisions the next day. Good finances and good habits strengthen each other. With your emergency fund in place, you can focus on earning more instead of constantly fixing financial mistakes. You might negotiate a better job, learn a valuable skill, or start a small side project because fear no longer controls every decision. Financial breathing room gives you the courage to think bigger than your next paycheck. You begin seeing opportunities that were always there, but hidden behind constant financial pressure. And this is where the real journey begins. Your first $1,000 isn't the finish line. It's a strong foundation for every financial goal that comes next. Now comes an important question. What should you do after reaching your first $1,000? The answer is simple. Don't stop saving. Instead, continue building your emergency fund until it can cover several months of essential living expenses. This larger emergency fund protects you from bigger challenges like losing a job or facing expensive repairs. Once that safety net is in place, you can begin investing for your future with much greater confidence. Saving protects today's lifestyle. Investing helps build tomorrow's wealth. You need both to achieve long-term financial success. Remember, wealth is rarely built through one big decision. It usually grows through hundreds of small, smart choices. Every dollar you save represents a promise to your future self. It proves that tomorrow matters just as much as today. Think back to the day you had almost nothing saved. Compare that feeling with the confidence you have now. The money matters, but the confidence you've earned may be even more valuable than the dollars in your account. Confidence changes your habits. Better habits change your finances. Better finances create more opportunities throughout your life. Never compare your beginning to someone else's finish. Every successful saver once started with their very first dollar. The important thing isn't how fast you save. What matters most is that you never give up. Some months you'll save a lot. Other months you may save only a little. Both still move you forward. Progress is not about perfection. It's about consistently making choices that improve your financial future. Years from now, you probably won't remember every purchase you skipped, but you'll remember the freedom your savings gave you. Financial freedom doesn't arrive overnight. It grows one smart decision at a time, just like your savings account. If you're still working toward your first $1,000, don't be discouraged. Every dollar saved is another step closer to peace of mind. If you've already reached this milestone, congratulations. You've accomplished something that many people never do. Now challenge yourself to reach the next milestone. Your future self will thank you for every smart decision you make today. Remember, saving your first $1,000 doesn't make you wealthy overnight. It makes you stronger, wiser, and better prepared for whatever life brings next. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to Money Solutions, and share it with someone who is working toward financial freedom. Your next financial milestone starts today.